So put the AN fittings in and ran the hoses to the front. Got the CRT stud kit for the oil pan. And yeah, she spins now. So I guess the adjustment was wrong on the band. It wouldn't allow the truck to push in, forward. So that right there was over adjusted, too tight, and basically it would allow the truck to push backwards, but it wouldn't allow it to push forward. So I adjusted that. That's all happy now. Just getting everything buttoned back together on the transmission and the engine. I got these shorty headers for cheap, okay? And they're okay, but I want like a full length header, and I got something in store for that. I got something for you guys coming up here. If I can find some on Facebook Marketplace, I'll do a video on those, but I don't even know if it's gonna work. So at any rate, it's getting late. This shop is a mess. Sorry guys, I've been busy. I worked on 3 customers' vehicles today, and actually got a lot done. But anyways, I gotta work on a hybrid tomorrow, so I'm gonna call it a night. I got a Kelly day tomorrow, so I'll be working. It's time off, so I gotta work. Alright, so here is what I got going on. I'll probably put the fuel regulator on the firewall somewhere around there. And as far as the coils go, I'm probably going to mount them on top of the valve cover here. I got someone making them with a one of those printers, the 3D printer. And the thermostat housing, if you guys can look at that or see that, here's what I got going on there. So I had to space the whole serpentine system out, 1/4 inch. And I notched the thermostat housing because this is a LA intake, and these are LA heads. So I just basically, I welded a plate on there, crude but effective. Okay, simple, it works. And I cut a recess in here for the thermostat, and this right here is notched for the AC compressor. So to clear this huge thermostat opening, I used the smaller Magnum setup. Okay, had an adapter plate, and now everything fits. Everything fits really good, actually. I have the AC compressor. See the aluminum strips, they're about 1/2 inch See, I got that mounted. So this bar right here will support the air compressor so it doesn't warp. And that's on both sides. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. It's kind of where I'm at. Here's the throttle body I went with. Got to massage that too. There's a trick to these to get a little bit more CFM, and I'll do that in a later video. But PRWs, the guy has a valve cover that's doing the coil setup. Yep, those are it's ready. I mean, I got to run a fuel line, hook up the throttle, coils, exhaust, serpentine. That's done. I used my power steering pump puller, and I pulled this pulley out, and then I welded it. It's only pulled about just a hair less than a quarter, so it works. Serpentine belt rides on here good, and man, it's getting late. I'm tired. I got 2 fuel regulators to put on this truck. I think I'm done. I'm done for today. Pink. Get over it. It's pink. See ya.